Alright guys, good morning. What a beautiful Sunday morning here at Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. And we are here because there's a sports car show for a cause. And silipin natin lahat ng mga nagagandahang mga sasakyan dito. Mga nakapark. And they're right here in the middle of Central Square, saan may malaking LED wall nandun. Please, if you're watching, hello guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All About Cars PH. Of course, also follow Joms TV Media and Become Legendary. Kaya antayin lang natin sila. Alam ko nandito na sila. And let's check it out kung anong meron dito. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Toyota MR2 guys, and dito sa side nito mga Nissan Fair Lady C. Like the Mercedes-Benz, I think this is the C-Class. Dito sa middle guys, mga BRZ and 86. Try po naman natin. Subaru, if you guys love Subaru, Subaru BRZ. Maganda. Ano yung mga bagong modelo guys na Nissan Fair Lady C. Some Porsches and Audi R8 from Second Skin Industries, GTR, BMW, I mean, another Nissan affair, Lady C, of course. Hardcore Manila representing. And we have here the Ferraris. Nice yellow Ferrari.
Mga parado na yan.
Very nice. Here we have the Yata Club. Shout out to the Yata Club. I think this venue is bigger from last year because they are occupying until there. Last year parang hanggang dito lang sila. And of course the corner of Rizal Drive. All the Miatas. And here we have the Mercedes lineup. European cars. Over there is a mix. Seeing a GT500 Cobra, Lamborghini, Ferrari. This is one of one here in the Philippines, owned by Mr. Darwin Angeles. Hi sir, hopefully you're watching. And of course, ating friend na si Legendary. Welcome!
Good morning, all about cars.
Ayan.
Ito yung mga old school.
Old Schooler Club. Very nice. Mitsubishi box. Maintain pa. Grabe.
Mas Mike. Kailangan dito.
Parang straight out from the casa. Wow! Guys, oh, look. Jaguar. Comment guys kung anong year to na Jaguar. Damn! So this is one of the original venue pag nagsasama yung mga sports car, old cars every Sunday. Yeah, they're right here sa 4th Avenue. Hi Manong, good morning. And dito sila lagi every Sunday morning. But because now merong big event, it's a sports car show for a cause. That's why meron din sila dun sa kabilang street. So tara, samahan nyo ako kung ano makikita natin dito sa side na ito. Let's go! Speaker na ako kanina. Ano, wala pa na po. Gatsu Fair Lady. Tama na siya sa Tour de Cebu. Yun, yun. Miss Cristel and Mr. Joms TV Media. Nakabanggit ko pa lang sa'yo kanina.
Follow yung page niya.
Boss, ayan, good morning. Nagsama-sama na naman po kami. With special guest, Miss Cristel.
Vlog na nga rin ako. Yun o. Late line up.
Sir Munir, kamusta?
Ikot lang. Dala niyo yung ano siya? Maserati, tapos yung Lambo, nasa kabilang street. DeLorean.
Wow!
Aris. Ano sabi mo sa event? Parang ano, gaganon sa Japan. Pwede.
Andun yung mga tropa, oh. Nagbe-breakfast sila eh.
Brother George.
Old schoolers. Old schoolers.
Guys, follow me. Sila mapanood.
Again, Joms TV Media.
All about cars.
Legendary. With our special guest, Miss Cristel.
Yes, Miss Cristel.
You know.
Organizer of organizers.
You know. Congrats! Congrats sa successful event kahapon
Congrats po sa lahat.
sa Sneaky Mods. Yun, solid yung Sneaky Mods kahapon.
pala siya ang organizer ng All About Cars Card. Siya mag-ano.
Ayun na po natin.
Dahil gusto ko ma-stress, magpapakarmi tayo.
Okay ba yung post ko ka? Okay. Actually, ganun na lang. Basta game, SPG. Clear na lang.
Reaction 70 lang naman. It's okay.
Yan guys, Miss Angie King. Of course, HP Club and her page, Car Porn Racing.
Gusto mo papa-aircon ko to?
Only.
Oh,
Dali. Oh, wow! Coach mo yan, di ba? What's the name? Eva. Si Eva! So, mahal na to. Member ng Become Legendary. Add nyo ako sa Spotify, sa YouTube, member.
Ayos.
Diba? Member ka ba din?
Ikaw na lang kulang. Ikaw na. Yes, we made it.
Oy, shoutout kay Chinga. Congrats sa event mo, Chinga.
Ay,
Kahapon, yes, sa Bataan.
Congratulations.
Congrats, James.
Solid talaga.
Madam Lee, congrats.
Sinabayan ni Boss Dario ng
Oh, lasing ako kagabi.
Nag-all about cars. All about service. Kaya dyan po doon. Hindi ko mapunta. Kaya nakuha tayo.
Ito na yan guys, ito na yan. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Very successful event. Solid yung mga
Oh, di ba? No to brand wars. All about cars. Di ba? All about cars. You know?
pa yung notes. Hour pa yung
Uy, powered by V-Power. Oy, Shell, kamusta naman dyan, Shell? Sa taas ng gasolina ngayon.
Kanina wala sa kapag.
Eh, kala ko makikita ko yung mayatang rito.
Hey guys, solid to. Oh. San Alfa Romeo. Comment guys kung alam nyo kung anong year to. Yon. Ganda ng kulay oh.
Kapatid ko lang po.
Ay, boss. Dito, hindi mo nagkakala.
Si Miss Cassie, yung legendary na beater.
Uy, legendary! Grabe naman.
Shoutout na lang ma'am sa All About Cars.
Hello po, shout out to All About Cars.
Guys, ito yung portal sa BGC. If you want to see other places, say hi to your families, relatives sa ibang bansa. Ano, gabi yata doon. I think Europe yata ang time. Yan, nandito lang siya sa may malaking LED wall. Yan, sa High Street.
Malaki.
Guys, this is the beneficiary of this event. So again, congratulations to the organizers of a sports car for a cause. Boss F2A.
Dito lang sa tenga lang ang kamo.
Somebody riding.
Guys, gusto niyo makita kung sino ang owner niyan? Ito. Sir Darwin. Sir Munir.
Tinatawaran ko ng 1M.
Ayaw eh.
Nagne-negotiate na sila. Guys, ito yung one of one na Porsche Spider na dinala talaga ni Sir dito sa Pilipinas. So,
Hindi ako may ibang tao. Nadali ko lang. Chamba lang paro.
Panoorin nyo kasi nandun sa vlog ko yan. Ang isa. Yan ang inaabangan ko.
yan kay Miss Gassi. Box. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is Darwin from All About Cars, bringing you the action right here at Bonifacio Global City for the sports car for a cause. Again, please do like, subscribe, and follow All About Cars, of course, Become Legendary and Jumps TV Media. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day. Bye!